starting from here, coming to this training center, when I was here, I was totally, I don't know what to do, what is my further thing, what should I do, how should I get my job. I was completely confused. But then after coming over here, it was completely good. It was completely a interactive session kind of thing. They were all friendly and they increased our confidence level, how to communicate with others, how we should talk with others, the way of talking to other people. It was a kind of good session it was, and it was a 2 weeks of session in which they will be giving a training how we have to communicate, the level of confidence level, how to increase, introduction part, just all, that's it. And coming to the walk-ins and all, there are many walk-ins they will be informing us. But then if we are not cracking in first session, first walk-ins, there will be many other chances coming where we can attend many interviews and we will be getting another chance again and again. There are 3 possibilities. If one session is not cracked, the second we can crack anyhow. And moreover, the lectures, coming to lecturers, all are like, everyone are interactive. They all are friendly with us. They doesn't have any kind of like strictness and all. It is actually 2 weeks of training session, and in that training, in between these 2 weeks only, they'll be saying to attend any of the interviews. They'll be walk-ins will be there. Many companies will be coming over here for the interviews and all, and in that, many of them are selected. Thank you.